Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've done a video and I apologize. I have not been on YouTube very much lately. It was school holidays for 6 weeks with my kids and it was just very difficult to get away to make any videos. So I kind of focused on them and everything, and also we're coming up very close to our big move. So there's a lot on my mind at the moment. So I wasn't able to do a whole bunch of videos during that time. But I am back and I do have a new brand that I am quite interested in and that I want to share with you guys. I have done a few videos on the Rough and Tumble bags, and I have got in some different styles lately, and one of the ones I wanted to share with you guys today is the Lotus. Now this was bought directly from the Rough and Tumble site. This is in the leather Tourmaline, so it's kind of like a green, very rich emerald color, I want to say, and it's beautiful. I do love this very much. I wasn't sure about this style because I tried to pack it up as a diaper bag or a nappy bag or a toddler bag, really, because my youngest has actually potty trained herself, or we've potty trained. We're getting there. Yes, this is why I haven't had any videos done, because she will not leave me alone. Yay. But then I decided to just use it as a handbag, and I actually took it out today just as a handbag, and it is really, really nice. This is the small Lotus. It does come in a large as well. As I said, this is off the site, so it's not lined, it's not customed. There's leather on the outside. On the inside, it's the raw leather on that side. The only pocket it has is this pocket right here, which is like a cell phone pocket or mobile phone pocket, and then it has outside bottle pockets. The outside pockets, they wrap around the bag, so I didn't find them extremely useful because then it would kind of make the bag look a little funny. I've got my small set piece here, and I could put it in, but because they wrap around where the seam is, I guess it kind of works, but I ended up putting the small set piece back into the bag and just leaving those pockets. So I wanted to show you guys how I actually packed this today as a handbag and how it came home with me and everything, and how I liked it. This bag does come with, there's a D-ring here that's like a lobster clip thing that you can push in, and it did come with a strap key fob thing that's exactly the same leather as this, and I just removed those because I don't use those. I have a NCO key hook that actually hooks onto, there's another hook in here as well, like right here, and that's where I actually attach my keys, so I didn't use that, but I do have them all stored in a little case thing. So before I get into that, I did want to mention there will be a couple of changes on my channel as far as the items or the bags that I kind of review. I am going away from diaper bags, so if that's something that you guys follow me for, I apologize, but my daughter is 3 now. I don't take nappies, I don't take snacks or anything like that, but I will be packing a lot of bags up for toddler use and for handbags. So I just wanted to disclose that now in case, you know, you guys want to see that kind of content. I won't be doing as much of that anymore. I'll be focusing more on kind of adult handbags and bags that I can use for older children. So, all right, so let's get into the Lotus. It does come with a short strap, and this is the thick strap from Rough and Tumble, and it's the same color as the leather. I wore this over my shoulder like this all day, so I'll just kind of get up like this so you can kind of see. And I'm 5'9", and it hangs about on my hip here. It was very, very comfortable to wear, and it wasn't heavy at all. I do have a bottle, a Swell 9-ounce bottle in here, but I put this in the car, so I didn't have it in the bag for the entire day. And I was out all day. My aunt's visiting from Canada, so we got together and did a whole bunch of stuff together because I hadn't seen her in a year. Hey, Clara. So I did carry this, and we walked a lot, and it's hot here. It is hot because it's summer and it's like muggy. So this wasn't bad at all on my shoulder. Very, very comfortable. This leather is very slouchy. It's, as I said, it's structured but not too structured. So I actually really enjoyed that. I like floppy bags with all my hobos. You can see behind me I've got a few bags hanging up there. So there's some other ones I need to go through with y'all at some point. So it's really hard for me to get a top-down view, so I'm just kind of going to go over what all fits in here. So I can fit the water bottle in on the side in the bag, but I'll just kind of see if I can give you a view of inside the bag there. There is the Rough and Tumble logo right there, or the tag. See a little focus on that. And then this is a slip pocket. So in here I do have my iPhone 10 that fits in there perfect. And then on this key hook thing, I did attach my keys. So I had those all day long. And then I don't have much in the center here, but they all kind of sat next to each other. And I'll just kind of show you what I've got in there. So I do have a small set piece by GGB with all my lipstick and lip gloss things in, and that was sitting this way on the edge. And then I've got a few things. I've got a white pouch mini. I have my Carry Kit George wallet. And I also have a Itsy Ritsy snack bag. This is the Snack Happens bag. Not the mini one, but the actual Snack Happens bag. And I actually use this to put in my other pouches that I normally take. I have a small set piece with all my Mummy Medkit stuff. A coin purse with my hair, brush and hair ties, and a hand sanitizer. So this is what I normally take. So I just put it all in here, and it actually fits really good. And then it just keeps it all together, and that was inside here. And then down the bottom here, I actually have 2 hand creams that I got from the store while I was out, and a receipt. So it does fit quite a lot. Even though this is a small Lotus, it actually fits quite a lot in there. And I did really enjoy using it as a handbag. So one other thing I wanted to share with you guys today, I did get another package in the mail, and this is a EDC wallet. And it's the same leather as my bag. It's a Tourmaline again. And the wallet is, I've realized, basically the same size as the George, the Carry Kit George. The only thing is the Carry Kit George is a tad, just a tiny, tiny bit taller, but that's like this way, but that's about it. So this wallet is really pretty. The only thing is it does not have any card slots on the inside. So I had to kind of get creative. I actually have moved all my stuff from my George over to this one. So it has 3 sections, a section on either side, and then a bit in the middle. So what I did, I kind of left one side for money. So I actually have a dollar coin in there. The middle one, I put some punch cards and a coupon for shopping that I don't access that much in the middle. And then on this side, I actually grabbed a really old Country Road card thing that my husband had that I kind of snatched from him. And that just has my debit and license and medical cards and Flybuys card. And then I've got the three cafes cards that I normally go to. So that actually does fit in here, and in the side of this you do have the Rough and Tumble logo as well, which is huge. I have to say, it's a really big logo, and it says made one at a time in Maine, so it's kind of cool. I just noticed how big it was though, so that actually fits really well in there. I'm yet to use this wallet, but so far it does fit well. And my iPhone 10 fits into this slot where I would have the money. If I had to use my iPhone 10, I'd probably just take the coins and pop them where my card holder is. And I can put this actually in there, even with the case on with the little ring thing. I can put that in there and it zips up and it's perfect. Now the way that it looks on the bottom is like this. So it's got the 2 compartments in the middle. Then you've also got a wrist strap that's attached with a little ring, if you can see that, and a leather tassel thing. So that is actually really nice. I have to say, I like how thin it is, even with my phone in there. Look how thin it is with my phone in there. So really, really cool. I will be using this more, and I'll come back and give you guys an opinion about how I like it. Really nice zipper. The zipper on this is like a navy, looks a navy. So it's a Tourmaline with the navy zipper. Yeah, so loving Rough and Tumble. I do have more, as I said, behind me and stuff that I need to review. I've got more things coming, different styles. They have so many different styles. You can custom make things. I actually have a custom made hobo that I found out today is finished that is going to come to me very soon. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. But anyways, that's what's happening, and that's what I have to share with you guys today. If you have any questions or anything like that, please pop them below. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.